Communist Party of India Marxist cadres are protesting in Chennai currently against the Hathras rape case. In fact, several police members are placed at this location to maintain law and order. The protest has begun in Chennai's Panagal Malige outside a state government institution, and they are raising several questions against the safety and security for women in India. In fact, the Hathras rape case is an issue that has completely shook the guilt conscience of entire India. Several questions are being asked about the way the issue was handled by actually the police and such. Imagine 3 days back, the Hathras rape victim passed away in the hospital, and unfortunately that has also turned into a political issue currently, where the opposition parties are asking questions about how, why, and what led to such a kind of issue where the safety of women has come under. Another big question: what kind of protection is being provided? And several cadres here are actually asking questions about the UP government, Uttar Pradesh government itself, and they are demanding answers from the Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath. And not just that, this particular case has also turned into a national issue where several few questions are being currently asked about the way it was handled. In fact, 2 days back, when the victim unfortunately passed away in the hospital after being for nearly 2 weeks under treatment, her body was rushed to the taken to her hometown, and just almost 600 meters away from her home, the body was cremated. And there are several videos which is showing that the family members were not allowed to be present at the location, and questions are being raised as to why this was done in such a hasty manner. And not just that, another video has also surfaced where the district magistrate is actually observed. He's actually trying to and in that session he's actually trying to say, the video actually shows it's he's speaking in an alleged format where he claims that media personnel will be here for 1 or 2 days, and then later the family has to be there. So several questions are being asked about the way the entire case has been handled. And very unfortunately, in this case, even after the Supreme Court's guidelines of 2018, the victim's video confession are being released, and unfortunately that is also turning into a political issue where certain party members are coming forward and calling this not a rape at all. And the bigger question here is that a parallel is also being drawn by between the 2012 Nirbhaya case and this one. All these are extremely unfortunate, but at the same time protests are occurring all across the nation demanding answers, and the biggest question is about safety for women. What is the stance? Because several such cases are coming out, such brutality, such and what the people are demanding is for rigorous punishment for such perpetrators, and not just that, but to increase safety and security for women. With camera person Vijay Shekhar, Pramod Madhav for Mirror Now.